Finally, got my very first own good old-fashioned car. What this one do? Ah! Sir, I think you should go. Why should I go, man? I'm so perfect with this. But, I can't even see myself, man. Okay, what about the other guys? Yeah, let's see them. Hey guys, how y'all guys doing? Okay, do you really even know how to drive? Yes, I got my first driver's license. Okay, let's drive. What's up, man? Wait, what are you doing? Man, I got one question. That what are you doing? Why the God's heck are you going to these multiverses, man? Oh, sorry. I just want to see the engine of this thing. Okay, get it? What you go do now? Oh crap! There is no way for you to get out. Prove it, tough shot. Oh, okay. You can get off now, please. No. Oh crap! I am gonna die, am I? You leave me no choice. Uh, uh, you, you, you bastard. Did I accidentally stab you so you won't regenerate? I think I shall give you a doctor right now. Have you even realized what you've done? You just hit me so I can go to the multiverse again! That what you get for trying to kill the boys around. Hey, so long, sucker. I hate my life.
Wait, are you seriously?
What the? Hey, mate. Wake up. Wake up, mate. Yo, man, wake up. Uh, Little guy, what is this place? This is another room? What can I tell you with this? No. Wait a second. You mean we survived that multiversal fall? No Legos or bones broken. Whoa, Lego guy, I gotta be honest with you. That was